We're just at the end of a 4-day job taking out some massive tallow in a macadamia farm in Alstonville. We have 4 trees down and we've got 2 more to take out. You just see behind me there. One of the stems is dead on the tree. I'll just flip it around for you to see. So this one, half the tree is dead, which is always a bit disconcerting to climb. Climbing a live tree is no problem, but when it's dead, it's, I wonder if it'll be okay, but I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get pretty high up that. We've got some macadamias here, which I want to try and avoid damaging. There's this dead. I'll take you up with me with my GoPro so you can see what we're up to. Okay, Dan's just taken me a good 90% up the tree in the spider lift, which has saved a huge amount of effort. So, we're right at the top here. So the guy said it's okay if a couple of branches get dinged. So we're going to do some slamage, as we say in France. Isn't that right, Dan?
Yeah.
You're having the best time?
Always.
Okay, I want this to go like that way. I don't want it to go that way and hit that, because if it hits, it'll interfere with it going over. So I'm just going to swap it. Heads up! Beautiful. I'm going to come down a bit and swing over to that other stem. I'm going to anyway strive to start it. Heads up, fellas! What I'm going to do is, as I cut through it, I'm just going to leave a little bit more of the hinge that way, just so hopefully it'll just feel round, all clean, all about. Right, put that one branch. I think that was acceptable. I'm going to try the same again with this limb. I'm going to put a little bit of a scarf this way so it wants to go there straight for that tree, but I'll try and get it just to nudge it over a bit. There's only so much you can do, and then the weight of the branch will kick in, but you can give it a little bit of English. should we chance this? Yeah, I think there's enough weight. Right, we've got to get through that, into that gap there. No pressure, Gabe. Heads up! Beautiful! Guy who taught me to climb, his mantra was ABC, always be comfortable. Just reach around, make sure. Loads of times, guys, there'll be like a knob like this, a little bit sticking up at the back, and they'll come down and they'll think their rope goes right round, but it'll go round and go up around the back. And I know a couple of guys who've cut their lanyard. They've survived, but one poor guy broke his spine. So that little reach around, I always impress upon young Dan, the apprentice, just to do that check. It's it. Wait, it's starting to kick in now. I'm feeling a lot more comfortable. Probably wondering, or you may be wondering, or maybe not, why don't I just go down there and take it like in a big 10-foot length? I'm doing you could, but I'd have to have a guy on a rope to pull it. I'm doing what's called a step cut here, and it's ideal for blocking down this size or a bit bigger, but you don't have as much control as if I was to put an open face cut on it and have a guy on a rope. If it was leaning, I could do it. If there was a bit of a weight over it, I could do it, but this is just straight up, so I'd have to be down there and pushing a huge amount. And once you've done your cut, you're kind of committed, and you don't want to have, you know, maybe 100 kilos or something above you that doesn't want to go. One of the things about being a climber, I've got a really solid screw here, but you're always thinking, from I hope the groundies can see my rope. I bought the brightest orange, most high-vis rope because it has happened in the past with the groundies just carelessly winching in branches into the chipper, and the climber's rope is caught in the branches, and if my rope goes into that chipper, once it hits the drum, I'm sucked out of this tree in the blink of an eye. So you're always not only concentrating on the tree that you're working on, you're thinking, oh, okay, is he seeing my rope? I have actually had my rope, not much, but just dragged a little bit by a groundie. Wasn't switched on, and I was yelling out to him. Unfortunately, one of the other groundies was super fluey, and he spotted this and stopped the guy from feeding my rope into the chipper. branch is coming out. I anticipated it doing that. I should have moved the trailer back a bit further, but that branch is coming out, so that's not a big deal. Alright, now looking at it, that's got a bit of a lean that way, so I'll just put it that way. It might swipe a few branches as it goes over, but I think it'll have enough momentum just to carry through. Side release touch on this because I want this when it goes just to go. Very thick, and my spikes, I've got short gaps on my spike, they don't really dig in that well, so I'm slipping a bit. Alright, I might come down and move that. Do you want to back the chipper into that area, Granty, and I'll go and dump the mulch? Oh, there's a bird with a song, same as my GoPro. I thought the GoPro was turning itself off, but it's a bird. Can you hear it? One of the benefits of this job is free firewood and kindling. Oop. We've just here on Saturday morning, we've just been doing a rake up and we're done and dusted here. Just packing up all the equipment. Got a little shipping job to do in Lennox Head, and that's us for the weekend. We sometimes you can have, once we had 6 weeks where it was raining and couldn't work, so it's really a case of having to make hay when the sun shines with a boroculture or doing tree work. Dan, are you happy to be working on a Saturday morning?
I'm always happy to be working on a Saturday morning. I love making money and I love doing tree work.
Good on ya.